Hey there, lovely code crafters. Welcome back to the coolest channel in the coding universe. I'm your friendly neighborhood code guru, and today we're diving into the fluttering world of stacks. Now, you might be thinking, what in the binary is a stack view, and how do I navigate through this digital jungle? Well, fear not, my friends. If you're subscribed to this channel, you're already one step ahead in the coding game, and you probably know your stack from your snack. So, let's break it down. A stack is like organizing your code, like you organize your snack cupboard. Everything neatly stacked on top of each other. Remember the golden rule of the stack. First in, last out, just like the struggle of finding your favorite chips at the bottom of the pile. Now, let's teleport ourselves to the id and witness some coding magic. I'm whipping up a Flutter project, and you guessed it, naming it Stack View because, well, that's what rock stars like us do. Inside main, Dart, it's time to clean up some digital dust bunnies. Say goodbye to that clutter and throw in a stack widget. Stacks love kids. So we're giving it a list of children. Think of it as creating a digital playground. Now, our first child is a container. Picture it as a digital Lego block, and let's paint it red. But, after running the app, it's as invisible as a ninja in the dark. Turns out we accidentally gave it a height and width of 0. Silly us. Let's fix that, give it some dimensions, and voila. The red block is now strutting its stuff on the screen. Feeling bold, we're copying and pasting that red block, but this time, we're turning it green. Run the app again and boom. Green is the new red, and our containers are playing hide and seek. But wait, why is the green container playing hide and seek too? All right. We forgot to mention to the app that the red block is the diva in the room. So let's wrap it up in a position widget. Tell it to chill at the left top corner and watch the magic unfold. And there you have it, our stack in action. A symphony of colors and widgets playing together. Why on earth did I type right? Scratch that, let's stretch out our widget. Remove right and add top here with a value of 0. Now, you might be wondering, why are we adding left and top? Well, we're setting the GPS coordinates for our widget. Think of it as telling our code, hey, be here. Now, before we dive back into the matrix of code, take a breather, pause the video, grab some water, and stay hydrated. Trust me, your code will thank you, and so will your subscribe button. Go ahead, I'll wait. Back to business. Let's copy those magical coordinates and paste them onto our green container widget. But this time, add left and top as 10. It's like giving our green buddy a little nudge to the right and a tap on the bottom. Not margin, mind you. It's all about that perfect position. Now, brace yourself for more container madness. Introducing a new member, the yellow container. Set left and top as 20. Watch as it gracefully slides a bit more right and a tad lower. Ta-da. All 3 containers are now cozying up on the screen. But hold on, let's spice it up. Add a dash of bottom at 20 to our yellow friend. Bam. Now, it's stretching down, touching the bottom of the screen like it's doing a limbo. In this coding universe, the height of our widgets doesn't matter. It's a wild world of experimentation. Go ahead, play around with these coordinates. Try different things, like a digital Picasso. And if you've been nodding along, finding this video as useful as a print hello world statement, hit that subscribe button. Because my friends, coding is an art and you're the artist. Stay tuned for more coding adventures on Code Crafters, where coding meets comedy and bugs become features. Bye-bye, amazing coders. Have a fantastic day filled with bug-free adventures and stack overflowing success.